Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to be going over setting up and programming your hydraulic remotes within your Pro 1200 display. All right, folks, once our display has loaded up here, we're going to go ahead and come up to the 7 boxes with the arrow pointing upwards to access the settings menu. Next, we'll come into Tractor, and we'll come down here to the Hydraulics tab. Once inside here, we go to Rear Remote Valves, and then we can go ahead and make adjustments to the remotes in here. I'm going to go ahead and open the remote number 2, and as you can see here, we can change our extend and retract flow up and down, as well as change our extend and retract timer all the way down to 0 seconds, and then all the way up to 60 seconds or infinite if we desire continuous flow. As well, we have extend and retract timer learn. If those are turned on, it will begin to learn how long we typically actuate those remote valves for. Typically, I don't like to use that. I just like to set my times manually here. On the bottom here, we have 3 options. We have timers on and off. If we turn the timers on, that will actually allow these timers to function, and we will then be able to use the continuous flow or set them for 0 to 60 seconds. As well as we have the lock function. If the lock function is turned on, we will get no remote actuation whatsoever. However, if we go ahead and turn that off there and we watch these flow values on number 2, as you can see, I can actuate this number 2 remote. Finally, we have motor mode here. To turn on motor mode, we need to go ahead and press our remote all the way into the detent position and then turn it on. And then once inside here, we only have retract flow in one direction, and then we have the lock. If we turn the lock on, that will again disable this remote. The other option we have here on screen is to go ahead and program some remotes to the configurable controls selection. So once we have the remotes we want set up the way we want them, we can go ahead and head over to configurable controls, hit the drop down menu here, and go to multifunction handle. Next, you've got your button pairs 1 and 2. 1 is the left, 2 is the right. We can change this to the rear valve 1, and number 2 is going to run rear valve 2. However, it can be changed to whatever you would like. Then if you press those, it will then kick on those remotes. Now, if you notice here, there are 2 more button pairs on my configurable controls there. To set those up, we need to figure out which buttons they are. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. We can then go ahead and add another 2 remotes to that multifunction handle if we so desire. I'm going to show doing that now. We're going to come in here and click on 5. Next, I'm going to come to the Hydraulics tab, and I'm going to come down to Extend Valve R3. We'll hit Confirm. Next, to assign the button pair the way I think about doing it, I'm going to go ahead and hit number 6. Come back in here, and we'll do Retract Valve R3. Same things for buttons 7 and 8. And now I have 4 remotes on my multifunction handle. The Remote Settings tab allows the operator to properly fine-tune his remote valves for any operation that he would be performing, and the configurable buttons on the multifunction handle allows the operator to maintain full control of the unit's propulsion while never having to remove his hand from the handle to operate several different remote valves. Alright, you've now learned how to program the hydraulic remotes for your Pro 1200 display, as well as add an additional 2 remotes to your multifunction handle. Now, for more information over the Pro 1200, please feel free to reach out to your local Berkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.